Did you get that from your grandma?
You have to be able to explain.
No, I didn't get it from my grandma.
Can you explain how you got your answer? Walk us through it. Stop asking that girl that question.
Did you just go live? Because I just got a notification.
I used the butterfly method.
Okay, explain. Walk us through it.
She got that answer from Trayvon.
Can I go use the restroom?
Please tell me how she
use
get
the
the answer from
restroom.
me. But I got it right. Exactly.
Walk us through it.
They
Can
got that
somebody
answer
walk
from
us
me.
through the butterfly method, please? Can anybody walk us through the butterfly method?
She got it from Trayvon.
No, she didn't. Dang.
Yes, she did.
All right, so let me just walk us through because no one knows how. Okay, you have one, where my annotate? You have 1/4 plus 2/3. Operation is plus. I have to multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. Since that's at the bottom, that's going to be my new denominator. Ugh. That's going to be my new denominator. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus. So that's 3 plus 8. And 3 plus 8 is
11.
Thank you, 11 over 12. Why is my 12 doing that? Well, anywho, it's 12, 11/12. All righty, coming off this screen.
Answer from B, Isaiah.
Do anybody have questions? Questions?
No, she did.
Do anybody have any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, since you don't have questions, I am now going to share my whiteboard. So. Here's the problem. 2/5 minus 1/4. Let's work it out. You don't have long to work it out. Type in direct chat to me, not everybody. Direct chat to me your answer. Direct chat to me your answer. Try again, Holland. Try again, Brandon. Very good, Emma. Holland and Brandon, you are not following the butterfly method. You can't tell me you are. Please put your timetable chart in front of you because you're not following the butterfly method. Very good, Tremont. Eder, try it again. There's no way. Isaiah, try it again. Passion, very good. Holland, try it again. Alfredo, very good. Remember, people, you are looking for the least common multiple, And you're going to use the 5 and the 4, and you're going to skip count. Which one do they have in common? 20, and that is it. So if those ones they have in common, the common denominator will be not what y'all putting in there. Brandon, you're not doing it. I don't know what you're doing. You just typing in some stuff. Very good, Jonathan. No, Jonathan, no. No, Jonathan, no. Recheck. No, Holland, recheck. We're subtracting. No, Brandon, we're subtracting. You're close, but no cigar. No, Holland. Where you get, explain how you got that, Holland.
Oh my God.
What's wrong? Went too fast or too fast, Eder. Close, but no cigar. Went too fast. All right, so moving on. 4 times 2, 8. Minus 5 times 1,
5.
5. Because we know 5 times 4 is 20. And they got 20 that's in common. So now I bring my 20 over. 5 minus 5, 8 minus 5 is
3. 3.
3. This is my answer. I'm gonna stop sharing. Okay. Please listen closely. Listen closely. I have people sitting in this classroom that is not asking questions. I have people sitting in this classroom that's not participating. Because you're showing your face, because you're showing your name, that does not mean you're participating. I'm not being the one hurt about this. I'm not getting hurt, okay? This ain't bothering me. It's bothering me. Don't get me wrong. Let me rephrase that. It's bothering me to the fact that I'm teaching. I've been teaching for the past 3 days. You paying me no attention. It's bothering me. You're not even practicing or trying to do it. It's bothering me. But it's not going to hurt me in the long run. In the long run, it's going to hurt you. I'm not preaching to everybody in this classroom. No, I'm not. I'm preaching to those that know who I'm talking to. And like they say, a kick dog need to bark. Okay, your toes will get stepped on right now in this conversation. Miss Adams teach 5th grade students. At this point, 2nd semester, I don't look at you as a 5th grader anymore. I look at you as a 6th grader, because every last one of you guys are expecting to go to the 6th grade. Every last one of you. You are expecting to get to the 6th grade. But it's okay. It's quite all right. It's quite all right. Because I'm just going to keep smiling, and I'm going to take this pen, I'm going to take this notepad, and I'm going to document, and I'm going to write. And guess what, guys? When your grade come out for the midterm and you have nothing there, or you have 0 there, or you have 50 there, guess what? I'm done. I'm done. Yes, I'm done. Now I have a request that someone needs some assistance with subtracting fractions, and I have no problem helping you with subtracting fractions before I move on to what I was going to do. So I'm going into subtracting fractions for those that need to pick up on it. Those that don't, it's okay. It's quite all right. So I'm sharing my screen back to my whiteboard, and we're finna subtract some fractions of unlike numbers. Let me see, somebody's chatting with me. Okay, okay. I got you. I got you. So let me put one up on the board to show you what you need to do. And you will be amazed to know that subtracting fractions are just as easy as adding fractions. You just subtracting. I have 1/3 minus 1/2. No, I'm not gonna say 1/2. I'm gonna say 1/7. Be odd. 1/7. That's a unit fraction. So butterfly, here we go. Multiplying 3 times 7, which is
21.
21. Thank you. Now 7 times 1,
7.
7, minus 3 times 1,
3.
3. Now here's it is 7 minus 3, which is
5. 4.
4. 4. Slow it down, and I just bring over my 21. I'm done. Put in the chat if you still need another one. Put in the chat box if you still need another one. Ooh. Another. Okay. I shall give you another. Okay. Moving on to the new page. Here we go. Write this down, because y'all having problems with word problems too. Brianna and Alexander were splitting nachos. Brianna ate 2/5 of the nachos. There. Oh, my little line gone. I'll give you time to write that down before I move on to the next piece.
Miss Adams,
Yes, dear.
is that a 5?
Where's a
Yeah.
5? 2/5. Yeah, somebody's writing 2/5 on the board. I think that's Isaiah's handwriting. I think that's Isaiah's handwriting.
Isaiah, dude, quit writing on the board.
There were 31/40ths nachos to what was it to start with? I'm changing that one. Hope you weren't writing it. There we go. Together they ate 31/40th of the nachos. How much nachos did Alexander eat? Now, here's our question. Are y'all writing it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Y'all writing it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me know when you're ready. I'm gonna have to count you down.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So Brianna and Alexander were splitting some nachos. When we hear the word splitting, what do we think of?
Subtraction.
Sharing.
Subtract, huh? Sharing. We're thinking about sharing. We're talking about subtraction. Okay. So Brianna and Alexander were splitting some nachos. Well, Brianna, she ate 2/5 of the nacho. Together they ate 31/40 of the nachos. But other than 31/40, she ate 2/5. How much nachos did Alexander eat? Y'all with me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So let's subtract her 2/5 from the 31/40 and see what we get. We're going to multiply 40 and 5. But do we really have to multiply 40 and 5?
No, ma'am.
You don't really have to, because we know 40 is the 40 is gonna be the common denominator. So I'm just gonna put 40 over here. 5 times what is 40?
8.
Thank you. If I multiply 8 at the bottom, multiply 8 at the top. So I'm bringing my 31 over. 2 times 8 is 16. And I'm gonna subtract 16 from 31. That's 11. That's gonna be a 5. That's gonna be a 15. 15/40. What timetable got both 15 and 40 in?
5.
5s. I'm dividing by 5. 5 times what is 15?
3,
And 5 times what is 40?
8,
My answer is 3/8. He ate 3/8 of the nachos. Did I confuse you?
Yes.
No.
no, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Yes. I think I said I just lost quite a few right there on that one. I lost quite a few on that one. Let me give you a simpler one. I'm trying to get y'all acclimated to word problems so y'all can know. Okay. That's not a subtraction problem, but subtract this one. 2/3 minus 1/8. 3 times 8. Nobody know what 3 times 8?
24.
Oh, okay. 8 times 2
8 times 2, 16.
minus 3 times 1.
3.
So 3 from 16
13.
and bring over my 24. That's all I have to do. Do y'all see that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So are you struggling with word problems or are you struggling with algorithm problems? I asked the question. Hello?
I'm not struggling with nothing.
Okay. That was Tremont. Thank you. Oh, when you have to divide is when you have
That's
okay.
the hard part for me.
That's the hard part for you. Okay,
Yeah.
say for instance you have this is your answer. 19/15. Okay, that's your answer. And let me tell you the problem. You got 2/3 plus 3/5. 3 and 5 is 15. And then you do 3 times 3 is 9. And 5 times 2 is 10. That's 10 times 9 is 19. This is when you have to divide. When this number is bigger than this number. Okay? Are y'all following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
15 go into 19 how many times?
Once.
Once. 15 from 19 gives you what?
4.
4. And then it's 15. And that's it. If I had, say I had 20, why would I write my 2s? It go left. 20 over 18. What's that gonna be? 18 going to 20, how many times?
2.
Once.
Huh?
Once.
Once. If you gotta
One.
take 18 from 20, I'm getting how much?
2.
2.
2.
And I not no 2/3. It's 2/18. But the 2/18 can be broken down. So I bring over my 1. Oops. Bring over my 1. And I go 2 from 18. That's divided by 2. Divided by 2. And that's going to be 1. And that's going to be 9. The answer is 1 1/9. Let's do another one.
Did he go in once or twice?
It goes 18 goes into 21.
I thought it went in twice because 19, 20.
No, that's how much you have left over, baby. If I put down 20 sticks and I pull out 18, I don't have enough to pull out 18 more sticks. You got me?
I guess.
You guess. Isaiah, if I have a 7 and a 5, if I pull down 7 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I need to pull out 5 of them sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I loop them 5. Do I have enough for 5 more?
No.
So how many times 5 go into 7?
Once.
Once.
Once. And how many left over?
2.
2/5. You see?
Yeah.
All right, here go you want to do. We're gonna do 10 over 4. 10 over 4. What's gonna be that answer?
Oh, this for me?
It's for everybody. Jonathan, we'll talk about LCM and GCM later, okay, baby? Don't let that get you.
Okay.
Common multiple and greatest common multiple. We'll talk about that later.
Well, I got a boy in my class.
Isaiah, why are you writing on the board again?
Oh,
He's good right now.
Oh, okay. My bad.
He better do it right, since he's writing on the board too.
No pressure, Isaiah.
No,
Okay.
Tremont, do it again. Emma, do it again. Come on, Isaiah. Excuse me. Come on, Isaiah.
Okay.
You didn't stop me, and I'm like, okay, I'm waiting. No, Octavia, do it again.
I'm trying to figure out the answer.
How you trying to figure out the answer? You ain't through with the preparation. No, Tremont, you're close, but you missing something. You're missing a whole number. It's gonna be a mixed number. Okay, Tremont, not Tremont. Isaiah, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks down. You got to say how many times 4 going to 10. You done knocked off 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have another 4 in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, come on with it.
Oh, I know. Oh.
Knock off another 4. If you, Isaiah, quit marking up there.
Sorry, I call that a light bulb moment.
I think when you said you scared it. I think you're scared. All right. Do you have another set of 4 in there, Isaiah?
No.
How many sets of 4 do you have? How many sets of 4 did you mark off?
2.
Oh, okay. You talking to me like I'm dumb. Hold on, boo. 2. Okay. So I know my denominator is 4. How much do I have left over?
2.
2. So my answer can't just be 2/4. I need to break it down. So I'm gonna divide by what? What time table got both 2 and 4 in it?
2.
My 2s. Don't be scared. It's my 2s. My 2s and my 1s, and I don't use my 1s. So I'm gonna say 2, because I bring over my whole number. And then 2 going to 2 one time, and 2 going to 4 2 times. So my answer is 2 1/2.
You want me to erase that?
Nah. If you're gonna text this to me, you need to text it as 2 space 1/2. That is texting it. That's written in text right there. Okay. Very good, Tremont. So I'm gonna give you one more. Very good, Isaiah. Stop writing on my board. You won't be called out. Here we go. I'm going to say, I'm gonna give you a very easy one. 3/2.
That's it.
That's it. 3/2. Make
Oh.
it to a mixed number.
Okay.
Very good, Emma. Very good, Alfredo. Very good, Tremont. Very good, Miss Darby.
Hey. You.
Hey, yo, the teacher can't do it.
Why?
I'm confused.
Y'all too smart.
It's
Y'all-
called practice. It's called practice.
Y'all
Keep
too
your
smart. to
brain
do it.
alert. Keep your
Y'all too
brain
smart to do that.
alert.
Y'all is too smart to do that.
Well, sometimes you heard the phrase, if you lose it, if you don't use it, you lose it.
Exactly right.
If we don't ever do math, this simple math, we will lose it.
Just because I'm not teaching math this year does not mean I should not practice it.
Exactly, because you don't know what she'll be teaching next year.
Exactly.
You may have all 5th grade next year.
Ain't that fun?
You don't know. All right, here we go. Somebody say I'm lost. All you gotta do is draw down 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. How many 2s in there? 1, 2. How many times I got 2? 1 time. So that's my whole number. And what's left
Whole
over
time is
is
not on
1/2. And then if you want to draw pictures, best way to draw a fraction is in a box. I'm gonna draw this in a 1/2. And I need to color in 3 parts. 1, 2. What do I need to do? Because I gotta get 3 parts.
Add another box.
Add another box. Very good. I add another box and I break that one in 1/2. And now I can do 1, 2, 3 parts shaded. How many parts are shaded?
3.
No,
3.
no. This is a what now?
That's a half.
That's the whole thing. So that's 1 whole. And what's this fraction part here?
1/2.
1/2. There it is.
Hoop, there it is.
That's the
Miss
answer.
Adams, so I got it right.
So I got it right. You do? No, you don't. You got to have. You got to have 1. Do you have 2 parts in here? Asian.
Ma'am.
No, that's Brandon. Okay, you got to say 1 1/2, baby. So this is letting me know we need to practice changing improper fractions into mixed numbers. Okay, that's next week's drill. But don't forget adding and subtracting fractions though. We're starting on this next week. Let me share another screen with you guys before we end this lovely day on a Friday. T-T-T-T-Ta-Ta. T-T-Ta-Ta. Where am I trying to go? I'm trying to go to Savas. Trying to go to Realize. And I'm going in as a kid. I'm going in as a kid. Are y'all seeing my screen?
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, I'm going in as a kid. So this is what you probably see if you have your code in your computer. Find your school, click on your school, click log in. Here it is. I'm in here as a kid, but this is not Miss Adams' class. I need to go to this one that says 5th grade Miss Adams, third 9 weeks. That's where I need to go. This is the one you need to go into right here. The one that has the emoji with the math signs in the back and say math. Third 9 weeks. Click on 5th grade Miss Adams, section 1. 5th grade Miss Adams class information. My announcement board will change. No, it won't. It won't even change. It'll stay that way. I put in here your Pearson Realize. You go straight to Pearson Realize. And your math class, those things stayed the same. Stayed the same. The YouTube channel, Panther Nation, that's to go straight to the YouTube channel. I'm going to go today in math. Today is Friday. Click on Friday. Today is January the 8th. I'm clicking on January 8th. Today's assignment. Click. I have 2 in there. You can do this one last. It may get confusing. I don't know. If it get confusing, just text me. We'll handle it. If it don't, go for it. January the 8th, click on the 2nd, today's assignment. Savas Realize math page. Look in Savas Realize. That's where you're going to find today's lesson. Today's lesson is going to be in Savas Realize. Messages over here. This child has not checked messages. He got 30 messages and 1 notification. But of course, he don't know to check because he's not part of our school anymore. But I'm using him as an example. You should have received our codes. You should have received our code, login codes for the new dashboard of here. Here's my access code. Again, if you had not received it, which I don't know why you have not, but just in case you haven't, there it is right there. Write it down, capital letter. 2WDD-7BG5-WNJ37. And Miss Darby, look what I did. Miss Darby.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see I clicked on third 9 weeks and fourth 9 weeks? So I shouldn't have to change this next time.
Oh, okay. Then I've got mine on third 9 weeks. I'll see if I can go in there and put fourth 9 weeks, and maybe, yeah, you're right. Maybe it'll stay.
Hey, exactly. I'm like, I don't think I want to. I just did. So I'm like, let me see what would happen if I do this.
True. Okay.
Change it next time.
All right.
But that's your access code, guys. If you don't have your Schoology, if you do not have your Schoology login information that was given to you week number 1 of school. If you do not have your login information that was given to you week number 1 of school, I just gave you the access code. You go into Schoology, type it in, get into the class. Several people has done it because it came to my phone letting me know that, hey, so-and-so XYZ has joined your Schoology group. And I'm good with that. I'm good with that.
Now, Tremont mentioned this morning that he was able to get into it without having to rejoin, but Tremont, you might need to check that, because if they archive the old ones, it may not let you get to it.
I checked this morning.
Okay,
Cause we change our pictures out, so you know you're
Yeah.
not fooling with the same old one. I got math in front of mine, and I think Miss Darby has a computer.
I'm coming out of a computer,
She's
laptop.
coming
yeah.
out of a laptop, so you'll know you're in the right class. Jonathan's bored. I'm finna let you go, John. Make sure the yesterday's assignment in math, make sure you do it and turn in. That's for a grade. Today's assignment is for a grade. I'm checking Saturday, point blank. I'm checking Saturday, point blank. I'm not returning anything to you saying, hey, go back and check this over, look over this. I'm not doing it because you had ample enough time to do so. You had ample enough time to do so. If you didn't do it, I'm so sorry for you. Go back and watch the YouTube. It will help you. Go back and watch the YouTube. It will help you. You can slow it down, repeat it, whatever. Check your resource folder for that day also, because I uploaded videos for other videos for you. So with that being said, there's no questions. All right. No news is good news. I say no news is good news. No sound is good sound. That means we're all on one accord. We understand. I bid you a great afternoon, a wonderful week. And I shall see you on Monday at 10 with Miss Darby and 1:15